One should keep in mind that besides being a vacation paradise, Crete had a huge historical importance. The Minoan Age was first of all the first Western civilization, so it pays to visit the museums as well as the bars and beaches. The Archaeological Museum in Chania is housed in the Venetian-era Monastery of St. Francis, across the road from the ornate city cathedral. It contains a fairly complete cross-section of relics from all periods of Crete's long history, from Neolithic pottery and weapons to classical Greek sculpture and Roman coins and glassware. The Chania Archaeological Museum has the advantage of being easily accessible from the popular alleyways of the old town and the cafes and the restaurants that line the fabled Venetian waterfront. It is squeezed among the multitude of shops and cafes, so you will have to look carefully to spot it. But once you're inside, you'll get a panorama of more than 3,000 years of Crete. The museum is open until 3 p.m. in the afternoon and is closed on Mondays. Stick with us for more Crete museums on myCrete.tv.